Moko kuom jokanyo kod jotelo mag ODM mawuok Nyakach oyango ni jopiny katielo ni duond bura mar ODM onge pogruok moro amora kaka osebet kaliekore. Jotelogo lero ni kata obedo ni pogruok oseneno e weche mamoko, kendo e kind moko kuom jotend ODM ma osebedo kawacho weche mopogore opogore, ODM nigi jatelo achiel ma en Dr. Oburu Oginga ma gibiro luwo weche mowacho kotenore kod kuma ODM owinjore ochom, ka gijiwo jopiny kod johera mag ODM ni kik gibed gi kibaji e wi tungni mamutni e duond burano ero gi e thuoloni. Sani koro giwacho ne ODM dhi duogo chung kar tiende motegno kaka Raila Odinga ne dwaro. Ne gilose kinde tuke mag rapar Raila Odinga ma bende nobagi gi Okoth Opande Nyakach. Okoth Opande Nyakach.
And in his memory, as a people, I want to assure our people that ODM is intact. As any other home, that a father that is honored and respected, when the father passes on, there's a bit of jumping here and there. Yes. There's no division. I saw a caption in Standard yesterday with a UDA party leader sitting in the middle of the orange. The orange is one. He's sitting in the wheelbarrow on the other side, as we're on the orange this side, and will engage as such.
ODM has got structures at the grassroots, and I want to remind the leaders of ODM of whatever cadre, whether you want to leave or stay or, come in, that we will listen to our structures on the grassroots. It's important for us to listen to the party member back at the grassroots and ask them what do they think they want. And they will tell you they want a strong ODM. When ODM is strong, we will be able to negotiate at a better position.
Even the president himself talked about the same thing. He told us one point, let ODM arrange themselves. He's also arranging himself to the other side. So when a time is going to come, that now we'll be able to sit down and see what we can do forward.
And what we are doing now, without mixing the station, we are listening and following what the party position is. And as it is, the party position is led by none other than Dr. Oburu Odinga. He has said it repeatedly that we will give a direction by June next year. And that direction is not far from what Raila Odinga could have made.